Well, the first quarter of 2021 is coming to an end, and boy, has it been a crazy time in real estate. Today, I am going to tell you what we saw happen in the past few months and what I'm predicting for the rest of the year. So let's get to it. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Your Key to St. Augustine Living. I'm Kim Devlin with RE/MAX Leading Edge, and my channel is all about life and real estate here in St. Augustine, Florida and St. Johns County. If you are interested in something like this, then make sure you subscribe and click that bell for notifications. So what is going on in the real estate market? Well, it's been a year since the COVID shutdown, and in Florida, I think people were shocked at how the real estate market did last year. There was a lot of uncertainty in the beginning about how COVID would affect things, but in St. Johns County, Florida, we saw constant movement in the market with people buying and selling homes. We consistently saw 3 months of inventory, so it was definitely a seller's market most of the year. But once we entered January of 2021, we saw a bit of a frenzy. Consumer demand is definitely driving this market, and here's why. Many people are finding that they can work virtually, so they are wanting larger homes or moving to suburbs or even out of state. Florida just happens to be one of the states people are moving to. Why? Because we are open, because we have no state income tax, and because we have great weather. So of course, why not? So what is that doing to the market here locally? Well, it's driving the prices up and the inventory down to less than a month. So, is it a good time to sell? Well, of course it is. If you want to get a nice price for your home, this is the time. But, and that's a big but, if you need to buy a home too, be ready to face some tough competition. Homes out there are receiving multiple offers on them, which makes it an extremely frustrating process for the home buyer. If you are buying a home, unfortunately, we predict the seller's market to continue through this year and into 2022, so the struggle is expected to continue. The high demand we are seeing has driven the prices up in St. Johns County, and we saw an 8.5% increase in prices year over year. For the month of March, prices are up 28% from the same month a year ago, but that number may be a little skewed because March 2020 was the start of the COVID shutdown. But any way you look at it, prices are on the rise. If this low inventory continues, experts do predict a housing affordability crisis, but this year's sales is still expected to be ahead of last year's. New construction has even saw price increases, and it's not just because of lumber, which has added about $20,000 on the average single-family home, but the increase in crude oil has affected the cost in all materials, including paint, roofing shingles, and flooring. Some builders, which I will not name, have changed the way they are doing things due to this buyer demand and have, in a sense, created a multiple bidding situation for their spec homes. So with some of the popular builders, the days of picking a lot and building a home is no longer a stress-free process, at least for now anyway. Now, with that being said, there are more new construction communities being built all over the county, so there is still an opportunity for home buyers to get into a new home. They may just need to wait a little longer for the home to be completed. The good thing is, mortgage rates are predicted to stay under 4%, so the higher prices we are seeing will be offset by these low rates. Additionally, as the vaccine rollout continues and other states start to open, consumer confidence is expected to improve, which may bring more balance to the current market, but probably not until the end of this year. Needless to say, the St. Johns County market is an attractive one because it is just awesome to live here. We have great weather, fun things to do all year, and fantastic schools. So many people are looking to move here, and I can't blame them. Now, if you are watching this, you may be interested in relocating to the area or looking to sell your home. If so, I've provided links below to some helpful guides. If you want to learn more about the area, check out my next videos about relocating to St. Augustine. And of course, if you have any questions, never hesitate to reach out. My email is kim@yourkeytostaugustine.com, and my phone number is 904-747-0183. Thanks so very much for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one.